Lately, we see a variety of do-it-yourself renovations on TV and YouTube, but when it comes to those renovations, one that you want to avoid the most is attempting a bathroom renovation. Too often do we hear the nightmare endings to a do-it-yourself project, such as causing a flood throughout the house or even incurring serious injury while renovating. It's never as easy as demo, sand and paint the old cabinets, change out the vanity, and then retiling the floors. And bad bathroom renovations can actually lower the value of your home if not done properly. Not to mention, in many states, including Hawaii, electrical and plumbing work must be done by a licensed professional and also have a permit. Low budget renovations seem attractive, but at the end of the day, you get what you're paying for. So many people have said that it ended up costing far more to repair the damage from these do-it-yourself projects. So save yourself some headaches and leave it to the pros.